everyone, today we're talking about the Speak app, a language learning tool that claims to help you practice real conversations with AI. But is it actually worth your money or is it just another overpriced subscription? As always, this review is based on personal opinion and independent research. I'm not affiliated with Speak, and your experience may or might be different, so use this as a guide, not gospel. According to the official Speak website, this app focuses on real speaking practice powered by AI. You don't just memorize vocabulary, you talk. It's designed for busy learners who want on demand conversation practice without needing a tutor every time. Some key features include AI based dialogue stimulation, personalized feedback on pronunciation and fluency, lessons based on a real world scenario, and currently focused mostly on English and Korean learners. Over on Reddit, some early users are pretty impressed with the app. It did improve my speaking and is nice to be able to practice when I don't have time to book tutors. Another said, I'm an advanced speaker and I use the free talk feature. It's great, but beginners should still work with real people. The main downside mentioned the price. Multiple users said it feels expensive, especially given the lack of public reviews online. One user summed it up, wow, I tried the trial and loved it, but considering how pricey it is, I'm not sure I want to commit. So is Speak worth it? If you're serious about speaking practice and want to simulate conversations anytime without a tutor, yes, it could be worth trying the free trial. But if you're on a tight budget or looking for something with more native voice interaction, you might want to explore other tools or combine it with live tutoring. And that's it for today's review. If you've used Speak, drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe.